Under the warm glow of the late afternoon sun, a backyard grill sizzles. Thin slices of flank steak rest on the hot grates. The steak sizzles over the fire, its surface transforming into a mouth-watering crust. Rich, smoky aromas rise, promising a taste of summer bliss. Marinade bubbles and caramelizes, glazing the steak with savory sweetness. A rustic wooden table displays an array of ingredients, promising a burst of flavor. Tortillas sizzle on the grill as light char marks begin to form. Tongs flip the tortillas, revealing the grill marks. The knife cuts through the grilled steak. A warm tortilla cradles the juicy meat. The seasoned meat is spooned into the tortilla, filling it with savory goodness. The meat nestled. A shower of finely chopped onions and cilantro adds a burst of freshness. A final touch. A squeeze of fresh lime juice awakens the flavors. A vibrant spoonful of salsa verde crowns the taco. A taco lies on a plate, crowned with roasted jalapenos. A cold Mexican soda stands beside the taco. Steam rises from the roasted jalapenos, swirling in the air. A symphony of flavors unfolds as someone savors the first bite of a taco. Eyes shut, they sink into a moment of pure culinary bliss. The tender beef, vibrant herbs, and zesty lime dance together on the palate. Words appear on the screen. Carne Asada taco, pure flavor. Mexican soul. Reveals a carne asada taco, its ingredients bursting with flavor.